What do you call this in English? How about this? And this? Today we're going to learn 30 plus words for everyday objects that you'll find in the kitchen. We'll go beyond your basic fork, spoon, and knife and expand your vocabulary so you can talk about cooking confidently. Make sure to download the lesson PDF, which includes all of today's vocabulary words with pictures. Click on the link in the video description, enter your email address, and I'll send you that free download right away. Ready? Let's step into the kitchen and learn some vocabulary. We'll start with some cooking tools. Repeat each word after me. Spatula, whisk, tongs, wooden spoon, ladle, rolling pin, colander, sieve or strainer, measuring cups, measuring spoons. Now let's learn some items we use for cooking food and storing food. Listen and repeat. Mixing bowl, pan, frying pan or skillet, griddle, pot, lid, baking dish, baking sheet or tray, oven mitt, pot holder, plastic container or Tupperware, plastic bag or Ziploc bag, aluminum foil, plastic wrap. Man, there's a lot of vocabulary to learn right here in the kitchen. Don't forget to download your free cheat sheet with all these words and their pictures so you can review and remember them. Again, you'll find the link to that in the video description. Our next group of words has to do with cutting and preparation. Cutting board, bread knife, steak knife, butter knife, can opener, bottle opener, corkscrew, peeler, grater. And finally, we have some small appliances that are common in the kitchen. Blender, food processor, tea kettle, electric kettle, toaster, toaster oven, pressure cooker, coffee maker, French press, air fryer. Great job! Now you can talk about what's in the kitchen with confidence. Were any of these words new to you? Let me know in the comments. I've put all of today's vocabulary into that free lesson PDF that you can download and review anytime. So click on the link in the description to get that today. And if you love learning practical, everyday English words like this, check out my Vocabulary Builder courses. Each level will not only teach you over 1,000 common words, but also help you practice them with quizzes and exercises. I'll put a link to those courses in the video description as well. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll talk to you next time.